Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a custom transparent Steam profile that will make your page stand out. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where you can see how other users view your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel. You'll notice an Edit Profile button there. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Steam profile, including the transparent background we're working toward today. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll be taken to the profile editing interface. Here, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. You'll see several navigation options listed there. Look for and click on Steam Points Shop. This is where Steam allows you to spend the points you've earned from purchasing games and participating in Steam events to unlock various customization features for your profile. Within the Steam Points shop, you'll still be looking at the left panel. Find the option labeled Game Profiles and click on it. This section specifically contains the transparent profile backgrounds that are tied to different games in your library. These game profiles are what create that sleek, transparent effect on your Steam profile page. Now you can browse through the available results and explore the different game profile backgrounds on offer. Each one corresponds to a specific game and has its own unique transparent design. Take your time to find one that matches your style and click on your preferred game profile background when you've made your choice. However, here's something important you need to know before you can enable this feature. In order to activate any of these custom transparent profiles, you must first have Steam points available in your account. These points are earned by purchasing games on Steam or participating in seasonal events. If you don't have enough points yet, you'll need to earn some before you can unlock your chosen transparent background. And that's how you get a custom transparent Steam profile. You've now learned where to find these backgrounds and what you need to activate them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.